and welcome to healthyhouseplants.com, where we teach you all about gardening in the great indoors. If you'd like to support our show, please use our Amazon affiliate link below. Another viewer-inspired video today. This one comes from Rahim, who commented that he uses his aquarium water to water his houseplants. And that is a great idea. It's actually something that I also do. So I was really happy to have that comment because it made me realize, wow, that's gonna make a great video. So as Rahim says, he uses his aquarium water to water his houseplants when he does his water changes. And as he mentioned, which is a great thing about the aquarium water, it's very rich in minerals that the houseplants love, and it doesn't have the harmful things like ammonia and fluoride that regular tap water would have. It just has very nitrate-rich, basically fish poop in the water, and that will feed your houseplant soil and then your houseplants as the soil converts those nitrates into usable fertilizer for the plants. Nitrate is what is commonly found in nitrogen fertilizers. So, and nitrogen is one of the main ingredients in a complete fertilizer. Okay, so some tips for using, and here is some from my aquarium here, some water here. Some tips for using this great water, okay? So first of all, with aquarium water, you want to only use for fresh water from freshwater aquariums. You would not want to do this with salt water. Salt water is very bad for your houseplants. So just freshwater aquariums, number one. And number two, you want to make sure that it's warm before you put it on your plants. So I'm going to put some on this Dracaena, as mentioned, which is definitely thirsty, was ready for a watering. So you want to use it when it's warm or room temperature. So, because as I always mention, you do not want to use cold water on houseplants, okay? So generally speaking, if you guys have your aquarium in your house, you may even be heating it, you're not gonna have a problem with that. If it's very dirty, if the water is very dirty, you may want to filter it a little bit. It depends on you. Everyone has it's not going to hurt necessarily if you just take the water, if you haven't done a water change in a while and it's very murky, and it's not going to hurt the plant if you just water with that. But as I said, some people like to go ahead and filter it. So that's another thing to keep in mind. Now, questions come up in terms of this, and if I use this, do I have to fertilize my houseplants? Can I just use my aquarium water? Some people have a very good luck just using their aquarium water. It is going to depend on your aquarium. It's going to depend on how often you change it. The more often you change it, the less nutrients are going to be in the water, okay? It's also going to depend on the plant. Some plants need more fertilizer than others. So you're going to have to do this on a case-by-case basis. You could go for several months and just using aquarium water and see how your plants do, and if they seem to be very healthy, then great. If you are going to fertilize in addition to using the aquarium water, what you want to do is you want to use an organic fertilizer and with a low NPK, and organic fertilizers will have low NPKs. For instance, my fertilizer link below, the Green Gourmet Houseplant Food, is a 332. So it is very gentle but very nutritive for your houseplants. So combining with the aquarium water a nice organic fertilizer. You would not want to combine with the aquarium water a chemical fertilizer. Chemical fertilizers, what they do is they will kill good bacteria in the soil. One of the great things about using this aquarium water is you're putting beneficial bacteria into your houseplant soil. So that is a real benefit. So you don't want to waste that benefit, right, with the wrong fertilizer. So keep that in mind as well. And I do have a video on the benefits of beneficial bacteria in your soil, and mention that often as well. So that covers it for how to use your aquarium water. Oh, one other little thing, gotta mention this. If you have turtles in any of your aquarium water turtles, they can spread salmonella. So you will want to be more careful in that regard. You may not want to be using that water in that if you have turtles. Otherwise, you should be okay. And I know this because I have had turtles as well over the years. I've had aquarium for many, many years. So there you go with why you want to use aquarium water on houseplants, how good it is to use on them, how to use it, and the fact that it's a great natural fertilizer with very good nutrients in it and good bacteria in it as well. Thank you for stopping by today. Please leave any comments about any indoor gardening tutorials you'd like to see. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And please check the bell if you'd like to be notified when new videos are released.